Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking in the essentials. Buy the operator when the economy allows and set your ADS sensitivity to around 0. 5. For long-range consistency. Once done, confirm quick swap and melee binds so you can reset after a miss. Position immediately in a spot that forces one-tap opportunities. You don't want cramped angles. Practice a couple of ranged lineups in the range for 5100M shots so your muscle memory matches real maps. You focus now on mid-round execution. Hold with your crosshair at head height and pre-aim where enemies appear. When pressure comes, use short shoulder peeks and slow jiggle to force utility out or reveal enemy positions. Don't overexpose. Once you've confirmed an angle, commit to the shot. Operator timings reward decisiveness. Also, memorize 3 to 4 reliable lineups per map so you can take safe long-range shots and relocate quickly after firing. You finish rounds by protecting your pick and creating space for teammates. If you miss, fall back instantly, swap to your secondary if pressured, and call for support. Once you secure a kill or force a rotate, move to deny retake lines and cut rotations. If things go wrong and your shots are inconsistent, troubleshoot. Shorten ADS time slightly, return to range for 10-15 focused reps on 50-75M shots, and tweak sensitivity in small.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.